Before we proceed with this video, let me give you an advice. You cannot be a successful trader till you are consistent. You have to be consistent in your trading. You have to wait for the price to come to your level, give you a proper setup that you are looking for, and then trigger the trade. So remember, in short, it's LST, level, setup, and then trigger your trade. With that, let's start the video. Market as of now is at very important support level. Let me draw the support. This is the support level of the market. As we can see, it touched here once, it took a bounce, it touched again, it tried to break, but it could not. Again it came down, it could not break, it bounced up. But in yesterday's session, we are seeing a red candle. Also, this white line that you are seeing is 200-day exponential moving average that is acting as a dynamic support and resistance level. What we can see as of now is, let me mark this one, a clear-cut rejection right at the 200-day EMA level. It means there are no buyers in this level. People want to sell their stocks, pushing the prices to the downside. Now, what do we have here? We have two scenarios from here. Let me delete this one. Either tomorrow, what we want to see is market to push to the upside, get back in the range. This is the first resistance right here. We can say 2287 is resistance. To be on the safer side, if we can cross 2295, that will be much better. This is the first scenario. Scenario number 2 is it breaks the support to the downside, come back for a retest, and then proceed with a new downtrend. This would be very scary. I'm sure no one wants to see that. So this is the current market situation. Let's check out some stocks that we can trade this week. Emaar, a very good stock, surely in an uptrend. Let's analyze this one, how to enter and exit the trade. Surely, as we are seeing, it's making higher highs and higher lows, and this is the new push to the new high. Now, if I want to enter the trade, I will not take the trade at these levels. Why? Because this is the latest swing high. I'm waiting for a correction, at least for it to come down at this level, that is around 1.00. If it does not hold here, I will wait again to come down at 0.900. Now what I want to see is, when it comes down to support, I want to see a small bounce, a small green candlestick pattern. Again here, the same thing. If it bounces from this level, I want to see a bounce happening so that I can enter the trade. If it bounces from here, my first target will be again here, that is around 1.17. Even if it takes the bounce from this level, my target will be here. My first TP will be always at the recent swing high, that is around 1.17. Emaar Properties. I have identified 3 bullish signals. Let me tell you one by one. The first one is this divergence. Now if you don't know divergence, let me tell you how it looks. When the price is making lower low on the charts, but in indicator you can see it's making a higher high. This is called a bullish divergence. Number 2. It was in a downtrend, it was making lower lows and lower highs. As you can see, it broke this trend line with this green candle. This is indication number 2. It's surely bullish. We can see shift in the momentum. Now, last week we identified a new candlestick pattern that's called piercing candle. How does this work? When the market opens with a gap down and it closes above half of previous day's candle, this pattern is called piercing candle and it's considered to be bullish. As of now, the market is just stagnant right at the 200-day exponential moving average, and also we are seeing dodgy candles. What is dodgy candle? It means market is still indecisive. They have not yet decided if they want to go to the upside or to the downside. So bulls and bears are fighting at this level. Most probably on 29th, once they declare the news, I will see market going to the upside. I will only enter the trade once it crosses this level, that is a strong resistance as of now. 3.07 to 3.10 is a strong resistance level. Once it crosses, I will enter the trade immediately. My target is right here. The first target is around 0.350. Salama. Surely it's in an uptrend. We are seeing it's making higher highs and higher lows. So our trend is confirmed. As of now, it's at the resistance level, which is at 0.840. Interesting part is, the moment it touched this level, it did not start to retrace to the downside or start a new downtrend. But what it's doing as of now is, it's trying to consolidate right at the resistance level in this area. Now, The more time it spends in this area, it will gather more energy and it will break to the upside. As we can see, buyers are accumulated in this area. The moment price touches this level, they are pushing it to the upside. Now, if it crosses to the upside, the first target is right here at 0.900. This should be the first TP. Your stop loss, if you have already taken this trade, it should be around 0.780. My entry level is right here at 0.811. I entered the trade in Thursday session. I'm still holding this one, and my target is right here at 0.900. Let's see how the trade goes. ARTC. We are still in a limbo. We don't know how to trade this one. Yes, it's right here at the support level. This is the support level for ARTC. But now we want to wait for the outcome of the meeting. Last week the meeting could not take place because of lack of quorum. Again, they will soon announce new days for meeting. Once the meeting is conducted, if the news is at least a little positive, I can surely say this will fly to the upside. We can also see some limit ups. Till then, no trades, we just keep stocking this one. Emaar Properties. It had a nice bull run from this level till here, but as of now, it's under consolidation. This is the range, right here. But in Thursday's session, what we saw is very scary. It have broken the channel with this candle. It closed around 0.285. And in today's session, again, it have closed below the previous day's candle, which is more scary. Today's closing is at 2.840. Now we can see two scenarios from here. Let me explain you the first one. The first one is it retests the upper level again and starts to trend to the downside. This will be a beginning of a new downtrend. The first support is right here at 0.270. If it does not hold at this level, we have another level that is around this area, that is around 0.270. The second scenario is it gets back into this channel and at least close about 2.95, so we can say the near-term resistance is broken. Let's see how it performs. Amlak Finance. This white line is support and the top one is resistance. This stock is not in a trend, it's in a range. This is the lower range, this is the upper range. So we can say 0.317 is the lower range and 0.350 is the upper range. That is also the resistance. Whenever it hits the resistance, it's pushing to the downside at the support. Again, buyers are buying this one, pushing the price to the upside at the resistance. Again down, again up. In Thursday's session, what we have seen is it have bounced from the support level right here. So if you want to trade a range bound stock, this is a good one. It's safe for intraday as well. The next target should be right here around 0.350. Emaar Malls. It's right at the resistance level as of now, that is around 1.50. If it crosses this one, comebacks for a retest, the next target is right here at 1.60. It's still bullish and surely it's in an uptrend. Dubai Islamic Bank. A very good stock technically and fundamentally as well. If you are a long-term investor, this stock is the perfect choice. Now, it took a bounce right from the support area, which is here. We saw a dodgy candle and then a solid green candle, indicating buyers are sitting in this level. When price comes at this area, they are pushing it to the upside. Now, all we want to see is a close above this white line. This white line is 200-day exponential moving average. Once it crosses and closes above this white line, your first target should be right here at 4.40. If it crosses this level, the next target is around 4.60. Guys, if you like my videos, do not forget to subscribe. Give me your feedback by commenting below. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.